Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. I woke up to a nice surprise of a huge turd in my kitchen from one of the three dogs. I had Bert in the cage, so I'm not exactly sure. Well, I can pretty much assume that it was Nika because of the size of the turd. So, gonna have to keep an eye on those guys today. All right, Lila's crying. Let me go get her. These are pro-level dad moves, so just keep that in mind. So be careful if you're out there cooking and carrying your kids. One time, I fed her some eggs, and they were too hot, and she screamed for like 30 minutes straight. And listen, a Mitch always learns. A Mitch needs one lesson. You learn from one lesson. Alright, Leslie? You taught me good. That's right. One lesson. Say it. Yeah, one. Say it. One. Whoa! See? She just Mitch slapped me. Whoa! Whoa! She just Mitch slapped me back to Timbuktu. So I've been pushing the blueberries this weekend. Got some from yesterday. You want some? You want some? Nope. Nope. Alright, so here's what I gotta do today. 1, get Lila down for a nap. 2, get her up for a nap and go to Target. 3, I gotta come back and bury the fish that died. Sorry kids, if you're watching this, your fish died. And 4, my brother's coming over, he's bringing his drone and I gotta learn how to fly that thing so I can do a house tour. And that's it. Got a lot going on today. Yay! I think I'm gonna put her down for a nap.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember.
Stacy, you do this every week? It's a lot of work. Thank you. A lot of work.
I remember you. I remember you.
Me and my brother Neil are gonna go try to fly his drone. See if that works. It will most likely end in disaster. We shall see.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling.
complete failure, but that's okay. It's too windy here, and apparently the software firmware update hasn't come out yet for this thing. But we'll try again another time.
Alright, it's time to put Lila down for bed. This daddy weekend is coming to an end. I need a little me time, if you know what I mean. Oh, she's got some milk on her face. Sorry, baby. Formula. But anyways, it's been a great weekend. Got a lot of stuff done. Got the bathrooms clean. Got the bedroom clean. Got Lila's kind of dirty, and so am I. But that's okay. It's gonna happen. It's how Mitch rolls. Just trying to get shit done, you know what I mean? Peace.